Every time it rains, you know I run to my window. All I do is wring my hands and moan. Can't you hear the thunder roll? Can't you hear the lonesome wind moan? Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? You been gone so long now. Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? The wolf is scratching at my door, Lord knows I can hear that lonesome wind moan. Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? Somebody said they saw you roaring up in Reno with a big old cowboy from San Antone. Tell me I'm a fool to cry, but what the hell do they know? Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? You been gone so long now. Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? The wolf is scratching at my door, Lord knows I can hear that lonesome wind moan. Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? Ain't nothing I wanna do, well I guess I could go get stoned. Let the past paint pictures in my head. Kill a fifth of Thunderbird and Lord, try and write me a sad, sad song. Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? You been gone so long now. Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? The wolf is scratching at my door, Lord knows I can hear that lonesome wind moan. Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long?
Well, we're back for another Carmine's Country Corner show, I guess you can call it. Gary Swan is still on vacation, I guess I'm going to call it, taking care of a few things. I talked to him the other day. He's doing great.
You doing good?
Sends his love. Everybody's good. We got Dan Hugot on drums because Palmer is at the Cowboy Palace tonight with Pam and Chad. So they're having fun down. I wish I could be with them. I guess after the show, Bob, you're going to head over there. I wish to say hi to the boys.
Of course, yeah.
Well, give
and
Pam...
I'll probably get up and play on stage with
Absolutely.
them.
That'd be great. That's wonderful.
Hello, everybody.
So good to have you here tonight. And
Glad to be here. Yeah.
Dan, I want to thank you for everything. You know, Dan gets here always an hour early, helps Kim set up all the technical stuff, and then he jumps back there on the drums. And so, like, he does a lot of things around here to make this show possible. And, of course, Bob, because Gary was off, I called Bob this week and said, could you come up? He said, love to do it. And so we appreciate you helping us out.
I appreciate being here.
Well, you know, you're part of the family. And Paul,
Carmine.
I have to ask you, how's your family this week?
Everybody seems to be pretty good.
No bumps in the road too much anywhere?
No, all the cuts have been stitched up. And
Well, we get those little cuts every once in a while,
all
don't we?
the bumps and bruises are all healing, and everything's good.
Well, we're having fun. I guess Roy just popped up with a whole bag full of these. I got to show you guys these lemons. Look at this.
You got one right there.
Roy, our good friend, Paul's good friend, they call him Frog, brought up a punch of lemons. You going to get up now and do it? Oh, you want to? Well, I had one there. Thank you. Watch the step on the thing. So anyway, can you believe this? Look at the size of these lemons.
They're bigger than my grapefruit.
Your boy Joey, he does have big lemons. So that's he brought a whole bag. We're going to take some home. And
Hey, Carmine.
what do you got?
Well, I just want to say, I have a friend, a high school friend, and she lives on Moore Park over in Sherman Oaks, all right?
Yep.
She's got a neighbor who has a lemon tree that hangs over into her porch.
Okay, so
And-
there.
And they're the same size as these.
Unbelievable.
They're like grapefruits. Yeah,
Unbelievable.
Yeah, we've had a lot of rain, and that's a good thing for
I'm waving at
state.
I'm waving at Dr. Teresa and Dr. Kathy's here and a good friend Colleen, and we met another nice, lovely lady tonight, friend of yours. Thank you, Kim. I never would have caught that. The lights weren't on. And what was her name again? Heidi.
Heidi,
So we
yeah.
met this young lady named Heidi tonight, and so it's fun having somebody new in the house just for the fun of it. And that's it. Okay, so Paul, do another one,
Okay.
and we'll get the show going, folks.
Well, all right.
Let's do.
Oh, Bob Smith Toyota. Gotta mention them. Without them, we're out in the street somewhere doing this on the.
And watch out! Don't park in the wrong spot.
That's right.
because,
Be careful. Okay, go ahead, Paul.
And you know what Gary always says. He'd give them away.
But his wife won't let him. That's the line.
Let's do Gone, Gone, Gone. G.
Okay.
We'll go all the way around.
Yeah.
One. Sorry.
Check it out. Play it.
1, 2, 3, 4. She said if I ever deceived her, she'd be gone before I could count 10. I guess that I did not believe her. Now just look at the trouble I'm in. Well, she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther on down the track. Every right to be happy when I lost the good love I'd found. She swore that she'd leave and she left me before my first tear hit the ground. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther on down the track. If I only knew where to find her, I would crawl back on my hands and knees. Each tick of the clock's a reminder that she's 1 second farther from me. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies, farther on down the track. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Yeah, the more that I cry, the faster the train flies, farther on down the track. All right. Carmen,
Yeah, man.
you're working out that red guitar.
Yeah, let me tell you about this thing. Real quick story. My brother Lewis wanted to go down to Guitar Center to buy a Telecaster. He's always played guitar, but now he's really trying to learn to play good. And he's playing just fine. He's coming along good. So he asked if I would go to Guitar Center with him and try out the guitar for him. But he was really setting a trap for me, and I didn't know it. I was being ambushed. But it was a good ambush. You know, it's like he was like a good Indian that ambushed me. Right. So anyway, we go to Guitar Center, and we look at this one, and he says, play it. And I put it through an amp, and he says, well, what do you think? I said, it's great. You know, it's a Fender. It's perfect. Yeah. He says, okay, we'll take that. And I'm thinking it's for him, you know, because I don't know. And then he gets up there, and he asks the guy to look at some others, and he sees one on the computer he likes for a little bit more money than this one. It's a Sunburst new beautiful guitar. And he says, I'll take that one too. And I'm thinking, this guy's a nut. He's buying 2 Telecasters. He doesn't play, that great, but it's none of my business how he spends his money. He's certainly doing okay in life, so he's not hurting anybody, you know. So then we get in the car to go home, and he doesn't say anything to me, and he calls his wife, and they start singing Happy Birthday. And so I start singing with them because I'm thinking maybe it's her birthday. I don't know what's going on. And it turns out that they yell my name out at the end, Happy Birthday, Carmine, you know. And I said, what are you doing? He says, that red Telly in the trunk is yours. I said, are you kidding? He said, no. He says, Jeannie and I thought when I came down here to buy mine, he says, it was my wife's idea. He said, Jeannie said, listen, you're going to be a Guitar Center anyway. And Carmine, I'm going to be 80 next year. That's kind of a big birthday, right? So Lewis,
you don't look a day over 61.
I know that, and I don't feel a day over that either. But anyway, so Lewis and Jeannie, my brother Lewis, his lovely wife, bought me this early birthday present for my 80th birthday.
All right.
And so I strung it up the way I like it with the little bendy strings, and I think it sounds pretty good.
Sounds great.
And it's got frets. It's got frets on it as
Yeah,
opposed to the other one.
that's the only thing throwing me off is the frets. But of course, I got my trusty Rosewood sitting right there, and there are a couple of songs I'll probably be putting this down and picking that up. Anyway, Bob, you got something?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, and my lovely wife Susie just walked in. Love you, honey. Nice to see you.
Let's do Hey Bartender.
Good song.
It's a good. It's
Yep.
a swing number. You know,
What key are we in here?
kind of a rocking kind of thing. You know.
What key, Bob?
It's in the key of A.
Thank you.
I don't hear it. Yeah, well, then just ignore it. Might be the amp.
Dan
it
starts
me?
off with a
Check one. Hey.
Nope. 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3. Went partying the other night, started drinking and got real tight. We was playing with all our friends, felt so good we had to play it again.
Hey, bartender.
Hey, bartender.
Hey, bartender.
Hey, bartender.
Draw one, draw two, draw three, 4 glasses of beer. She was sitting down on the end. I said, baby, can we be friends? You look as sweet as can be. Come on down and with me. Hey, bartender.
Hey, bartender.
Hey, bartender.
Hey, bartender.
Draw one, draw two, draw three, 4 glasses of beer.
Here comes Paul.
We was having so much fun, I didn't know it was 1:30. I turned around to have one more. I looked at my watch and it was 4:30. Hey, bartender.
Hey, bartender.
Hey, bartender.
Hey, bartender.
Draw one, draw two, draw three, 4 glasses of beer. Had the jukebox playing everything. Everybody was beginning to sing. That's when I heard somebody call.
Last call for alcohol.
Hey, bartender.
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 Draw one, draw two, draw three, 4 glasses of beer.
And that's the name of that tune. All right.
Well, what are we going to do now?
The good one.
Do another one, Bob.
Really?
Whatever you want to do.
Okay, let's do Silver Wings in the key of E. Here we go. 1, a 2, a 1.
Silver wing shining in the sunlight, roaring engines headed somewhere in flight. They're taking you away and leaving me lonely. Silver wings slowly fading out of sight. Oh, don't leave me, I cried. Don't you take that airplane ride. But you locked me out of your mind and left me standing here behind. Silver wings shining in the sunlight, roaring engines headed somewhere in flight. Oh, they're taking you away and leaving me lonely. Silver wings slowly fading out of sight. Play it. I cried, don't you take that airplane ride. But you locked me out of your mind and left me standing here behind. Silver wings shining in the sunlight, roaring engines headed somewhere in flight. Yeah, they're taking you away and leaving me lonely. Silver wings slowly fading out of sight. Silver wings slowly fading out of sight.
Thank you so much. It's a true story, you know.
It is.
It's happened many times in my life. So that's why I can sing about
it. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. They said for the last 2 weeks, suffered any cry. I hear you, Bob. Made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid. And they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. Thought he was a hero when I used to follow Clayton around. And I often wondered why Clayton, he seemed so good to me. Never took that guitar, made it down in Tennessee. Let's hear it, Bob. Guess if I'd admit it, old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stoned, picking up the lovesick blues. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow. I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. And I guess if I'd admit it, old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stoned, picking up the lovesick blues. Clayton died, I made him a promise I was gonna carry on somehow. I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. One more time, Bobby. if I'd admitted. I already sang that line, you know, but I'm going to do it again anyway because it's such a good line. I got to do it again. Okay. Here we go. I guess if I'd admitted, old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I could see him half stoned picking up the lovesick blues. Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was going to carry on somehow. Give $100 if he could only see me now. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it, but he went up in the woods and I cried. And I know there's a lot of big preachers, and they know a lot more than I do. And it could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. That was a good line, wasn't it?
Good line.
Thanks for putting up with me, folks. Paul, what do you got?
Let's do.
I'm going to change guitars now. Say hi to the folks.
Howdy, howdy, howdy. Carmen's changing guitars and going back to the old trusty, the old trustworthy Rosewood Telly that he bought in 1935. Oh wait, no, that's not right.
It's almost right.
Almost.
So what are we going to do?
Let's do in the key of E. Let's do. I looked over Jordan.
Oh, yeah. Oh, do it.
Which one?
Let's see. Well, you'll know it when you get to it.
You guys kick it off. I'll be right there with you.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3. I looked over Jordan, and what did I see? Coming for to carry me home. A band of angels coming after me, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. I am sometimes up and I am sometimes down, coming for to carry me home. Still my soul feels heavily bound, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. If you get there before I do, coming for to carry me home, tell all my friends I am coming too, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot,
Good job.
All right.
Bob, you got another one?
Yeah, I'd like to do a Chuck Berry song, if you don't mind.
Please.
It's called Little Queenie, you know?
Sure.
I'm a little bit old to be singing this about a 17-year-old, but it's okay. Because Chuck was a young guy when he was singing about this 17-year-old when he was writing songs back in, in Louisiana. Or no, where's he from?
Yeah, he was probably
St. Louis, Missouri. Yeah.
probably
So anyway, it's a song I love, and it's about Little Queenie, the girl standing next to the jukebox.
Great song,
And
too.
yeah, here we go.
What key? G?
One more time. Here we go.
I got the lumps in my throat when I saw her coming down the aisle. I got the wiggles in my knees when she looked at me and sweetly smiled. There she is again, standing over by the record machine, looking like a model on the cover of a magazine. You know she's too cute to be a minute over 17. Then meanwhile, I was thinking, she's in the mood, no need in breaking. I got a chance, I ought to take it. We can dance, she can make it. Come on, Queenie, let's shake it. Go, 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 little Queenie. Go, 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 little Queenie. Go, 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 little Queenie. Play, come on. Again, standing over by the record machine, looking like a model on the cover of a magazine. You know she's too cute to be a minute over 17. Then meanwhile, I was still thinking, if it's a slow song, we'll omit it. If it's a rocker, that'll get it. If it's good, she'll admit it. Come on, Queenie, let's get with it. Go, 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 little Queenie. Go, 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 little Queenie. Go, 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 little Queenie.
The Ballad of the Little Queenie. Yes.
Dr. Teresa, come up real quick, do one. I said quick. She's looking at her notes. We don't need all those notes. Just step over that little fence there. Grab my mic.
All right, let's see. You caught me off guard here.
I know, but just you're cheating.
How about you're cheating hard?
Do what key?
Key of F?
Key of
As
F?
in
Okay.
fine?
F.
Test.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
You're cheating hard will make you weep. You'll cry and cry and try to sleep, but sleep won't come the whole night through. You're cheating hard will tell on you when tears come down like falling rain. You'll toss around and call my name. You'll walk the floor the way I do. You're cheating hard will tell on you. All right. You're cheating hard will make you weep. You'll cry and cry and try to sleep, but sleep won't come the whole night through. You're cheating hard will tell on you. When tears come down like falling rain, you'll toss around and call my name. You'll walk the floor the way I do. You're cheating hard will tell on you. You're cheating hard will tell on you. Wow, to sing with these guys, that's great. Thank you.
Very good.
I caught her a little off guard. Usually she gets here with her notes, and we talk about what key and what song, and this time I thought, let's get her up here and let her wing it. She did a great job. Good job, Dr. Teresa. I always get
Hey,
Dr.
Teresa.
Dr. Kathy mixed up.
When are you coming back to Kulaks? When are you coming back to Kulaks? You should. We should do that song together.
Yeah, it sounded good.
We'll get Dan there and John Palmer, and we'll play it, back you up, you know? Yeah. Okay.
Absolutely. See, you're being requested to appear. We'll go do it. Absolutely. Roy, come on up.
But I won't be here this Monday.
Get him out
There's
here
been
in
talk
about 5 minutes.
around the neighborhood.
Paul, he's going to use your mic if that's okay. He took his hat off. That must mean something.
Well, I got to put my guitar.
Oh, okay. Well, that's kind of what I do,
Well,
too.
also
You
that-
can't get the strap over the hat's too big.
Okay, you remember Ann McDonald that was up here a few weeks
Yes,
ago?
yes.
She grabbed me in a pair of scissors.
You look great. Finally got a haircut. All right, you look good.
It's only been 40 years.
He just got a haircut, he said, after 40 years. Anyway, we're here at Bob Smith Toyota, and Roy's nice enough to help us out each week with the show. And so he comes up once in a while. He loves to play and sing. And so, you know, we enjoy having him up every once in a while. Okay, grab that. Tell us what you're doing and nail it.
Okay, we're going to do a little song by Carl Perkins. It's Matchbox.
Great.
Oh, well, I'm sitting here wondering what a matchbox holds my clothes. Oh, man, I'm sitting here wondering what a matchbox holds my clothes. I ain't got no matches, but I got a long way to go. Well, I'm an old poor boy, a long way from home. Well, I'm an old poor boy, long, long way from my home. Guess I'll never be happier. The thing I do is wrong. Well, let me be your little dog till your big dog come. Well, let me be your little dog till your big dog come. And when that big dog come, we'll show him what this little puppy done. Well, if you don't like my lemons, baby, don't go shaking my tree. If you don't like my lemons, baby, don't go shaking my tree. If there's shaking going on, honey, it'll be by me. Well, I'm sitting here wondering would a matchbox hold my clothes? Oh, man, I'm sitting here wondering would a matchbox hold my clothes? Well, I ain't got no matches, but I got a long way to go. Okay,
Do one more quick one
Thank-
because of time.
okay, Don Williams.
Okay, you got it.
D. Just like my grades.
That's a little gnarly. Okay, do it. I should have checked it before the show. I thought it was all right.
Lord, I hope this day is good. I'm feeling empty and misunderstood. I should be thankful, Lord, I know I should. But Lord, I hope this day is good. Lord, have you forgotten me? I've been praying to you faithfully. not saying I'm a righteous man, but Lord, I hope you'll understand. I don't need fortune and I don't need fame. Send down the thunder, Lord, send down the rain. While you're planning just how it will be, and a good day for me. Lord, I hope this day is good. Feeling empty and misunderstood. Should be thankful, Lord, I know I should. Lord, I hope this day is good. In the king's and the end of time, all I'm asking is a little less crime. It might be hard for the devil to do, but it would be easy for you. Lord, I hope this day is good. Feeling empty and misunderstood. I'm really thankful, Lord, I know I should. But Lord, I hope this day is good. Oh, you wanted to end it? I looked at you because I love you.
I love you too, but that doesn't help me know what we're gonna do next.
So Paul says to you had kind of a long ending there because we weren't sure how to get out of it clean, but we did. We pulled it off. So Roy looks over at Paul, and Paul's looking at Roy and thinking, "What do you want me to do now?"
That was, I was sure that was an here comes the ending
Yeah.
look.
So
But it wasn't.
Roy says to Paul, "No, I was just looking at you because I love you." That was like I love you look.
I say I love you too, but that doesn't tell me where the ending is.
You got a great guitar there
Hold on
too.
then.
That
Take
guitar
your
is
time, move slow, Roy.
really cool.
It's okay. We might go over just 5 minutes. Is that okay, Kim? Kim, is that okay if I go over 5 minutes? Okay, because you can pull the plug. You're in control of this thing, not me. Okay. What do you got?
Me?
Yeah, you want to do them? And then we'll let Bob do one. I might do
Well,
it closer. I might closer.
I'll do another one. Not now, but
Yeah, he's going to do one. Then
Yeah,
we'll go on
yeah,
out of 10. We got about 10, 15 minutes.
okay, good. I'm ready.
While Paul's tuning up, I want to thank Dr. Teresa for coming up and singing singing with us a little bit.
Can I play your guitar?
Absolutely, you can play anything you want. He wants to play my new telly. Absolutely. Now you'll hear what it's supposed to sound like. Absolutely. This guy can pick. Anyway, we're happy to be up here at Carmine's Country Corner, and with all the boys.
I don't know how to sing.
And go have fun. And Bob, just this morning, I have to warn you, Bob, just this morning I put on my special set of strings on that thing. You might have been happier with the other ones. Yeah, see what I mean? So good luck, Charlie Brown. But yeah, I'm going to tell you something. For years in this town, because this is my main guitar, and I've played it all over, and you know we're all one big kind of country family here. Everybody knows everybody, and we all love each other for what we do, right?
That's right.
You know, we all respect each other. And for years, people would sit in like Harry Orlov or John McDuffie or all of them. But Bob Gotha was the only one that would play my Rosewood Telly and make it sound like what I thought it should sound like. Didn't I always tell you that for years? I said, you figured it out.
Because you have to have a really light touch.
You do. Yeah.
You know, it's like the way you touch a woman. You know, it's got to get that light touch.
This is my woman. But anyway, so, and all the other
Sorry,
guys
Susie.
are great players, and they'd play it okay, but they wouldn't quite get the tone. And old Bob would get up, and I'd say, now, that's it right there. Beautiful. So anyway, Bobby had the touch. Okay, very good. All right, here we go, folks.
Key of A.
Key of A.
Dark Hollow.
Good song, I know.
One, two, three. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be in some big city in a small room with a girl on my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be here alone knowing that you're gone would cause me to lose my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to see you another man's darling and to know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. You guys play as much as you want. in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine, than to see you another man's darling and know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Yes, I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back.
This old smoke-filled bar is something I'm not used to. I just left my home to keep you satisfied. Stop by, see me anytime you want to, 'cause you can always find me here till closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. You got it. Stop by and see me anytime you want to, and you can always find me here till closing time. Bob Guthrie on guitar. I got everything I'll need to drive me crazy, and I got everything I'll need to lose my mind. The atmosphere in here's just right for heartache. Thanks to you, I'm always here till closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by, see me anytime you want to, and you can always find me here till closing time. Want to thank you for coming up. We're going a couple of minutes over, but thanks for watching the show. We appreciate it. See you next week. Bob, are you here next week?
Yes.
Okay, we got Bob next week. We might throw somebody else in here too. Roy, I want to thank you for the songs and for the lemons. And I'm not talking about your music. I'm talking about the lemons. Got nothing to do with the song. Anyway, we Paul,
Carmine.
love you like a brother. You know that.
You too.
Okay, Dan, thanks for all your help, man. You're great. Mr. Personality back there. Bob, I'll see you next week.
There you go. All right. Nobody hurt. That was a lot of fun.